Alright guys, if you want to submit your assignment, it's very simple. You just locate the assignment you want to submit. Let's say this, I just hop on it, and let's say this is my design. This is what I want to submit. I just click on it. As much as I want to submit, maybe two, just click on this, hold my shift, click on this. I'm holding two, just these two. And then I scroll down, you can see export right here. Just click on the plus. You scroll down, you will see exporting to layers. Click on it. Once you click on it, you would first download the images, bring it to probably where, just choose where you want to save it. I am picking download, and I will just hit my save. I just hit my save and it's saved definitely. And then I want to upload it. What do? I locate my Chrome. This is my Chrome. I just hit on it, plus, let me take this out. I locate my Chrome. This is my Chrome. I would look for this Google app just in case I did not see it. You just hit on this plus right here, and then it comes out, hit on it. Then I can see my drive. I just click it, it opens up. And then I just come to this plus sign, and then new folder. I'll give it a name, maybe assignment folder or something. And then I hit on create. Once I hit on create, it takes me straight up to my drive, and then in my drive I would see my assignment folder. Just in case you saw yourself in home, just locate my drive and then look where you would see assignments right there. You just right click, file upload, and then locate your download. Locate your download. This is my download. I can see the two files. Click this, hold my shift, click the other, and then open. Once I open, I let it upload. You would see start uploading. They are both here. They are both here together. So what do I do now? I want to send the folder. I want to send out the link of this folder. So I can see my assignments just below it, just beside it, you see an icon, just click on it. You will see share. Make sure you do this. You share. Don't copy link. Make sure you go through share. So when you want to share, you would see general access. Hit on it. Change it to anyone can view. So anyone with this link can view this. Just copy the link. Once you copy the link, let's just assume that you are meant to post it. Press the link in the WhatsApp group. Let's just assume that this is the WhatsApp group. Just do Ctrl+V. Let's see what happens. It takes you straight up to just this folder that you were granted access to, and then the person can just open and view your two assignments. Can you see that? Very simple. If you submit your assignment without granting access, it means I cannot view it, I cannot grade you, so it's a 0. And that way to go over this, if you don't want to do this, is once you hit my drive, you will definitely see assignment, just these 3 dots. You would still see share, and then hit on share. Make sure it's share you are ticking and not the other way around. So anybody can view. So you can leave it that can comment, can edit. Well, just now it's just viewing you want to do. Then just copy the link. Once you hit on the link copy, you go and paste it. That's how to do this. It's very simple. Thank you.